Welcome to my channel. Orbi Purple Light Setup. Ensure the Orbi router is connected to your modem with an Ethernet cable. Confirm the satellite is powered on and placed within range of the router. Power off your modem, Orbi router, and satellite. Wait 30 seconds, then turn the modem back on. Turn on the Orbi router and let it fully boot up. Wait for the satellite to connect to the router. The satellite's LED should eventually turn white or blue, indicating a strong connection. If the light remains purple, move the satellite closer to the router. A purple light might mean the satellite is too far away to connect. Open the Orbi app or access the Orbi web interface at http://orbilogin.com. Log in using your admin credentials. Navigate to the firmware update section and ensure your Orbi router and satellites are running the latest firmware. Press and hold the reset button on the router and satellite for about 10 seconds. Thanks for watching.